Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I'm back with another video. This is really interesting and exciting. I'm going to show you how you can fix eyelashes and eyebrows, including eye details as well. So this app is called Facetune. Make sure to till the end and never skip any part of the video. After downloading the app, you can see this type of interface after sign up. Click on details tool, and now we have need to use fingers to select eyelashes and eyebrows. First of all, some features of this app required premium subscription, and some features you can use for free of course. In this video, I'm going to show you the free features and how you can use it to fix eyelashes and eyebrows. Before and after comparison right now, this is much better if you compare with the before version. Now much sharper, clear and overall texture quality on the skin. Eyelashes and eyebrows brilliantly recovered using Facetune app. Furthermore, you have an option to change the intensity of your photo according to the actual image. I set only 10 points because my original photo is already enough sharp. That's why you have to choose according to your photo. Next tool is called Edit, which will provide you essential tools like brightness, contrast, saturation. My top priority is the viewer satisfaction and turning my new viewers into subscribers. So make sure you consider subscribe and also check out my really cool content which is available on my channel. And this is really useful tool called Paint tool. You can remove very easily eyes, dark circles, as well as the unusual in which one you don't like. You can use this tool to paint, highlight, blush and some other few tools also available underneath here. The next tool is called Smooth. Now first of all, look at the skin texture. After using the Smooth tool, you know what is the difference in before and after. By the way, new to my channel, make sure to consider subscribe to get more videos like this one. I already uploaded a lot of content regarding photo and video enhancement. If your video is really low quality, so I'm recommending you to watch my other videos. Back to the video, this is the tool you can see here. This will make your photos perfectly smooth, no any type of texture, blemishes. This tool automatically fixes without any worries. In this way, you can turn your low quality eyelashes, eyebrows into high quality. This is the most easy and convenient way to do. When you click on the save button, which is on the top right side corner with the share button, this type of interface appears. Don't worry, click on the cross icon and your photo automatically saved in your gallery without any ad. This is just for the eyelashes and eyebrows. However, you can use Snapseed to do further editing on your photo. This is the video for today. Subscribe, like, share. See you soon in the next video.